Anticipated for January is the release of Samsung's next premier smartphone, which will compete with the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Although much appears to be known about the forthcoming device, one thing is certain: the Galaxy S24 Ultra will represent a major turning point in the Galaxy S series evolution. By announcing and releasing their new phone, Samsung could gain an advantage over Apple's iPhone 15 series. In mid-September 2023, Samsung unveiled the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, both of which have numerous new features that make them formidable competitors. The S24 Ultra, which is anticipated to have a 6.8-inch display, a 10x periscope camera, and an integrated S Pen stylus, will be part of Samsung's S24 lineup. However, the Ultra will likely feature minor enhancements, including a faster chipset, a larger battery, and possibly quicker charging. Additionally, its display might be livelier and more fluid. Our aspiration is that Samsung sustains its commitment to innovation in order to further enhance the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The forthcoming S24 Ultra has already generated conjecture regarding its specifications and attributes. It is improbable that Samsung will raise the price of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The 256GB model is anticipated to begin at $1,199, and the 512GB model will cost $1,299. At $1,619, the 1TB model will be the most expensive option. These are the same prices as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we expect them to remain unaltered. This Ultra will be an ultra-premium smartphone featuring front and rear Gorilla Glass Victus 2. In addition, it will feature a S Pen and a predominantly planar design. Despite the absence of anticipated alterations to the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display's overall dimensions, rumors indicate that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will retain fast wattage charging at 45 watts. This power supply is anticipated to be sufficient to fully recharge the device's 5,000 mAh battery within an hour. Additionally, reverse wireless charging and wireless charging will be supported. Ultimately, our initial anticipation was for an announcement in early February. However, a mid-January debut wouldn't be out of the ordinary. It fits precisely within the announcement and release window of January 17th, which has been observed for the majority of recent Galaxies, most notably the S21 Ultra, which was officially unveiled on January 29, 2021, and declared available worldwide on January 14, 2021. Thus concludes our current knowledge of the Samsung S24 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.